Ruto, Your Excellency, former Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka, and members of the two teams that have been trying to come up with a document to put our country on a peaceful trajectory. Let me take this opportunity to really thank the two teams for your pragmatism, for your patience, and for the hours that you have spent to come up with a document that will bring peace and tranquility to our country. Your Excellency, I must admit that I was a bit skeptical from the beginning whether these discussions will see the light of the day. I must admit I had estimated the resilience of the Kenyan people to look for peace and tranquility, and I have since been very impressed by what has happened, and I think this is the way to go. Kenya is bigger than all of us, and we in the executive and our president are very happy to have a peaceful environment because we have a plan and a mandate with the people of Kenya that would like to execute and implement in a peaceful environment. We are therefore very happy that there is peace and tranquility in the country, and going forward, after the two houses have done justice to the report, we believe that we'll have peace forever, and never again shall we settle our political differences in the streets of Nairobi and other towns through violence, through destruction of property, through shouting at each other, but rather talking to each other for the benefit of the people of this great republic. With those very few remarks, it is now my humble duty to invite the President of the Republic of Kenya to make his remarks. Your Excellency.